기범요의 기축행사 기범요의 사이비라들 벨론지 라요일 라이신벨 자과레고 벨란세이들. Hello everyone, I am Akem Yvette. I am finalist at the Miss Inter-University Southwest. I am privileged to be representing Biaka for the Miss Inter-University Southwest competition. I am contestant number 025 and I'm getting in the fight against drug abuse. But before that, let me cook you a delicious meal. No marijuana, no tramadol, no to drugs. So, beach how vibes maneuver the death cake, because we have a project that fights against drugs. Multi-million-dollar community. This is why I'm called Mother E. So, we ain't gonna talk the Lord defends us. We're working more for going against us. Cause we are not dependent, we trap the devil out. What they was trying to pull us down, we leveled up. We leveled up twice, we leveled up 3 times.
Ça va.
So I'm done cooking and I'm going to do some exercise before I come back. But hold on, what if I was a spoiled brat? Let me try to play the role. Excuse me, who are you talking to? Please, I'm not of your caliber. Please, can you calm down? Oh my god, do you know who my father is? Surely don't. You're so cheap, just like the cheap shoe you're wearing. Stay with me. I am an environmental activist and this is air pollution. I think I have better ways in which we could manage this. So I'm currently working on a project on how we can preserve nature and Mother Earth. Let's go to the field.
It's been a while since I ran, so I'm just going to do a little bit of warm up and stretch into it. So watch me. Let's go. Wait, I got this idea.
Listen up. Before we were slaves attached to these chains, then it was apes played by these races. And mothers, daughters, and brothers were taken, were dropped, exploited, and then they were lost in the shadows of drugs. Deep in the dark, blind to the truth, they collapsed on the roots. We'll keep to your course of written upright, because drug addiction is really, really bad. So, can you do this? Alright, let's go.
No cocaine, no marijuana, no tramadol, no to drugs.
MTCP.
Beach house vibes maneuver the
Stop.
This time, let's use a stopwatch and see how long it takes me to get up there. Let's do it.
Go.
Ice and wet ski. Here we're all gonna fight, yeah, against drugs.
12 seconds. Go.
Because we are all cast by the devil.
Oh my god. I can't believe I took 15 seconds. Look at the first time. I'll try again.
Go.
We tapped them and told them chase mine. So even when we come. Praise him, raise him, name it, claim it. Every other rise again, with shame, with great shame.
Wait, I did it! Wow!
9 seconds.